everyone. In this video you are going to learn about personal pronouns. As we all know about pronouns, let's recall one more time. A word used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Now we are going to know about personal pronouns. So let's start. Personal pronouns: I, we, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These all are personal pronouns. A pronoun that stand for a person or a thing are said to be personal pronouns. Now, there are three types of personal pronouns: first person, second person, third person. And now I am going to tell you about first person, second person, third person one by one with the help of example given below. Here, first person is Anu and second person is Tanu. They both are doing conversation with each other. Anu is speaking to Tanu. I like Meena auntie. Do you also like? Now Tanu is giving reply. Yes, she is very caring. Anu first person, I, the person speaking. Tanu second person, you, the person spoken to. Meena auntie third person, you all can see here, Meena auntie third person, she, the person spoken about. The person spoken about. So now it is clear to you all who is first person, who is second person and who is third person. Now we are going to learn about forms of personal pronouns. Here is a table related to personal pronouns. Now we are going to learn about personal pronouns one by one. First person singular subjective case will be I and its objective will be me and possessive forms mine. First person plural we will be subjective case, objective case will be us and possessive form ours. Second person singular you, subjective case, objective case remain you and possessive form yours. Second person plural you, subjective case, objective case you and possessive form yours. Now third person singular he will be subjective, objective him and possessive his. She will also be singular, subjective case, objective her and possessive hers. Now it will also be singular, subjective case it, objective case it and possessive form its. Now the third person plural, subjective case they, objective case them and possessive forms theirs. So this is a table related to personal pronoun. One more thing I want to tell you about personal pronouns. First person singular plural is used for both males and females. Second person singular plural is also used for both males and females. Third person singular he is used for males, she is used for females and it is used for neuter gender, or we can say for non-living things and animals. And third person plural they is used for males, females, animals and non-living things. Now we are going to do a short exercise related to personal pronoun. Circle the personal pronoun. Number 1, are you from Uttar Pradesh or Bihar? So you will be the personal pronoun in the given sentence. That is second person. He would like to take rest. He is a personal pronoun, that is third person singular. They will go to Agra tomorrow. They, that is third person plural. It is a beautiful rose. It is a personal pronoun and it is singular third person. So now I think this video will be very helpful for you all to understand personal pronouns. Thank you for watching.